In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track visitor analytics on your Wix website. Understanding how people use your site is one of the most powerful ways to improve it. Analytics help you see who's visiting, how they found you, and what they do once they arrive. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find those insights inside your Wix account and how to read the key metrics without adding anything extra you don't need. First, log into your Wix account and open the site you want to analyze. Once you're in the editor or dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. There you'll see a section called Analytics. Hover your mouse over Analytics and from the options that appear, select Traffic. This takes you to the Traffic Overview, which gives you a big picture view of what's happening on your site. On the left side of this overview, you'll see metrics like site sessions and unique visitors. Site sessions tell you how many total visits your site received, while unique visitors tell you how many individual people those visits represent. You'll also see sessions over time, which shows how your traffic changes day by day or over a selected period. Below that, you can compare new versus returning visitors to understand how many people are discovering you for the first time versus coming back. You'll also see sessions by device, which breaks down whether people are visiting from desktop, tablet, or mobile, and sessions by country, which shows where your visitors are located. These are especially helpful if you're designing for mobile or targeting specific regions. On the right side, Wix shows sessions by source category. This is where you can see how people are finding your site, such as from organic search on Google, Google ads run through Wix, Facebook ads with Wix, Facebook organic traffic, and Instagram ads with Wix. You'll also see your average sessions and traffic insights, which highlight patterns or changes in your traffic that might need your attention. Now look back at the left panel again. Under Analytics, this time, click on Behavior. The Behavior overview focuses on what visitors actually do once they're on your site. Here you'll see average session duration, which tells you how long people typically stay, average pages per session, and your bounce rate, which shows how many visitors leave after viewing just one page. You'll also see your top pages, along with visits, button clicks, average time on each page, and exit rate. This helps you understand which content is performing best. Below that, you'll find top clicks, top navigation flows that show common paths visitors take and form submissions, including form views, submissions started, and total submissions. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find and interpret your Wix visitor analytics so you can make smarter decisions for your website.